Hello, dear children. Army Public School Udhampur welcomes you all to the online class of subject Computer. Students, in the last class we started chapter number 1 about computers, in which you studied what is a computer, and you learned that computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and gives the results after processing. You also learned about main parts of computer, that is hardware and software. You learned that hardware is a physical parts of computer which you can see, touch and feel, and software are set of instructions to tell computer how to do a task. You also learned the difference between data and information. That data is unorganized facts and figures, and the meaningful and organized form of data is information. Now let us start the new topic, how does a computer work? Children, the computer works on IPO cycle. I for input, P for process and O for output. Let me tell you an example. Let us suppose you are entering 3, 5 and plus from your keyboard to find the answer. When you are entering, that is called input, and when the computer calculates the answer, which is 8 in this case, is process, and when you finally get your answer on the monitor, that is output. Right? Let me tell you one more thing, that for IPO we need input devices, processing devices and output devices. Input devices through which you enter your input, and processing device which processes, and the output devices which shows you the output. Let us assume few examples of IPO cycle. If you want fresh orange juice, what do? You ask your mother, and what your mother does? She takes orange and put it into the jar of juicer, that is input. And when she turns on the juicer and the juicer starts making the juice, that is process. And when she finally gives you a glass of fresh orange juice, that is output in this case. Let us assume one more example. The process of cleaning clothes. What we give as an input? We give dirty clothes and detergent as input. And when we turn on the machine and it starts cleaning our clothes, that is process. And when we get the clean clothes, that is output for us. Children, let's move to the next topic, which is characteristics of a computer. Computer has very fast speed. It is reliable and accurate. It always gives you the right answer, the correct answer. Computer can perform variety of tasks for you. That's why it is called versatile computer. Computer can store a lot of data and information in it. That's why it has a huge storage. Multitasking. Have you seen your mother doing so many tasks at the same time? Yes, you have. Similarly, computer is also a multitasker. It can do a lot of works at the same time. Computer always does its work without getting tired. That's why it's a diligence. Children, let us devise what are the characteristics of computer. Speed, reliability and accuracy, versatility, storage, multitasking and diligence. At this point, I will request you all to pause the video and repeat all these characteristics. Let's move further to the next topic, which is uses of computer. You have been studying this topic since class 1. Let us devise it once more time. The first use is creating documents. You know, your teachers are using documents to store a lot of data. Playing game, which is your favorite. Performing calculations. I hope you have seen in supermarkets the billing section. They are using computer for fast calculations. Buying and selling things online? That I don't need to tell you. You're already doing online shopping with your parents. Learning new thing? Right now you are using computer for learning new things. Listening to music, one of my favorite also. Watching movies and cartoons? Yes. So let us revise what were the uses of computer. Creating documents, playing games, performing calculations, buying and selling things online, learning new things, listening to music, watching movies and cartoons. Children, at this point also please pause the video and repeat all these uses. That was all about today's video. I will send you the exercises next week. Thank you and have a happy learning.